up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I have something really awesome to show you guys today. This is the Vifly Finder, so check it out. This is what it looks like. Pretty small, not too big. You can see this part here is the buzzer, but it has some stuff built into it. This is a battery built onto it there, and this allows for it to still alarm when the battery gets ejected. So I know a lot of you guys who do FPV racing, you've experienced that. I know I have, when my battery flies completely off the drone and then you can't find it. Well, never lose your drone again. Like they said, this thing will be still attached and it has that battery there. So if your battery gets ejected, this thing starts buzzing, and it does work as a normal buzzer as well. It comes with a detachable cord onto it. The cord, you can solder it directly to your flight controller, and that's what I did, and plug it into here. And if your battery gets ejected, you're covered. Let's check this thing out, make sure it works. Okay, so here's the cord right here. Usually with buzzers, I only have 2 wires, and that goes to buzzer negative and buzzer positive. So this having 3 wires, I thought that it was important that I show you guys this. It also comes with this instructions sheet here that does show you how to wire it up. Tells you what it does and all here. Pause it and read it for yourselves. Check it out. Okay, so let's check this thing out. It plugs in right here. And so let's plug it in here real quick. And let's plug in the battery. So you can see this thing is working nice and loud. There's a little indicator LED right there. So now we're just going to yank the battery out. Say we were flying and whatnot, and then the battery flies out. So let's see. So it starts beeping right away. And I noticed that it does this kind of low, and then after a while it seems to get louder. And so let's see. There it is there. This is the button to stop it. If you just press that button once, it does nothing. So let's see. There it is. So now it's going loud. So I would say that was about maybe 5 or 6 seconds. So if it's unplugged for like 5 or 6 seconds, nothing happens, then it'll start buzzing really loud. And so you have to hold this button down here. You can actually pull this off of here because it's operating off of the battery now. And so you just have to hold down this button here. So there it is. So now it's deactivated. Alright y'all, check it out. I got that little Vifly buzzer zip tied to the back of my quad here. This is the Mode 2 Ghost RC Addicts frame. This is the older version though. I know he has a version 2. I think he had 3 different versions. But anyhow, I just got a little 3S battery on here. 1300 milliamp hours, so I don't get too crazy out here. So you guys see where I'm at with it. And so I just wanted to show you guys that this thing does act as a normal buzzer as well. So let's check it out. See? Pretty loud too. So let's look at it. Never lose your drone again. Thanks for watching.